This is Rubber Scrubber Scrubber Mixer. I'm a girl. Turn the picture. Turn the camera, Daddy. Daddy, turn the camera. Daddy, turn the camera.
Tell us about how you're going to give Sally a bath.
I don't know.
You're going to give Sally a bath or no?
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
Scrubber.
With what?
With bubbles.
How do you get bubbles?
You get bubbles from washing machine.
You're going to put Sally in the washing machine?
No, with a bathtub.
And then put soap on her?
Yeah.
And then what?
We put water on her, and then she's all clean.
What if she shakes and shakes and shakes and gets you all wet?
Lift the jar.
What if she shakes before we get her dried off?
Yeah.
She could get you all wet, you know.
No, she can't.
She can't? Why not? You don't think?
No.
Why should we clean her today?
'Cause